The city of Bad Blankenburg is located at the foot of the Thuringian Forest and the green heart of Germany. Blankom has been established in 1919 and is located in Bad Blankenburg since 1921. Today the company is one of the most important industrial companies of the city. Since its establishment, Blankom has evolved from a manufacturer of electrical components to a high-tech company of the communications. The Blankom project department and its engineers accompany support our customers worldwide during their projects in all areas. It works out the configuration of head-ends and networks by using high-quality planning software and realizes the respective project in close cooperation with the customer. The head-end system is the central link, just its state-of-the-art head-end system and its own facilities made in Germany. Our engineers design electronic boards in the first step by using modern CAD system. More than 700 components will be put on the circuit boards by using automatic SMD placement machines, which is done with an adhesive or reflow technique. Optical and mechanical control procedures assure the high accuracy of the circuit board assembly. Further wire components will be put on the circuit board manually and then brazed in a double-wave soldering bath. Every component consists of a specific temperature profile which assures optimal brazing results. The final assembly of the devices, including all electronic and mechanic components, is done in the assembly department. The prefabricated metal frame carries the circuit boards as well as all connecting parts and assures the mechanical stability and leads off the heat too. The circuit boards will be then brazed into the frame and all bonding system-like connectors will also be attached. Our well-experienced and constantly further educated personnel is an essential factor for the stable quality of our products. All necessary adjustments and settings will be done in computerized alignment and measurement workstation by using specific software manual alignment tools. Various values on more than 300 frequencies will be checked and each device which avoids chances of errors. After the devices have been fully assembled and tested, they will be forwarded a 24-hour endurance test run system in which all necessary tests will be done. Then the devices will be forwarded to the final inspection and testing before the quality assurance department will give its expert valuation. Blankom is certified in accordance to ISO 9001. High quality and reliable products and customer satisfaction is the highest preference for Blankom. Blankom not only provides its customers with single modules, but also configures complete installed and pre-adjusted head-end stations in respect to the specific demands and needs.